everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Imbewu, the city, from the 14th to the 18th of March 2022 on Monday. Sebenzile gets a surprising call from Tlaganipo and has to lie to Pakate. Sebenzile's old debts are now coming to hand her. She owes Tlaganipo. She had better pay back or else. At the Rampasad house, Maharaj will do what is necessary to win Shriya's love on Tuesday. Maharaj still wants to be the hero father in Shriya's life and interrupts Shriya's celebratory dinner with Jason and tells her he can solve all her difficulties, leaving her feeling conflicted. Will Shriya fall into Maharaj's dirty ways on Wednesday? Sebenzile hosts the first church concert audition and it goes south. Sebenzile gives up. This is clearly not working, but her troubles are not over as Tlaganipo stalks her. Kamadonsela's graduation festivity begins and Kanyo is there to support her on Thursday. A ritual for Kamadonsela's graduation is underway and Kanyo is charged with hiding Kamadonsela's inyongo. Kamadonsela finds it easily, to the delight of the crowd. She breaks down in tears when she's doing her graduation dance on Friday. Pakate is impressed with Tlaganipo's choir, but Sebenzile is shaken as Tlaganipo is becoming closer. Maharaj uses his dodgy connection to try and get closer to Shriya. Nirupa wants Maharaj out of Shriya's life. Does Maharaj feels he and Nirupa are meant to be together? Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.